Installation of a Vallox Pureo air handling unit. Vallox Pureo air handling units must always be installed by a qualified professional. When planning the installation, make sure that the Vallox Pureo air handling unit or its modules fit through the entrance. If necessary, change the handedness of the unit before moving it to the final location. In TX units, the switchboard has been screwed onto the unit frame, and the cables have been fixed with quick couplings. In SX and SR units, the switchboard is located on the roof of the unit and should not be removed. The radiator of TX units is not rotatable, but the radiator of SX and SR units can be rotated if necessary. In SR units, the rotor controls can also be rotated. When planning the installation, enough room must be reserved around the unit to ensure smooth maintenance. When installing the unit, make sure that there are no immovable obstacles in front of the unit and that the doors can open 90 degrees. This makes removing the cell and filters easy. If there is enough space, the unit can be serviced from either side. See the unit manual or the Vallox Pureo selection program for the required minimum clearances. If the unit is installed against a wall, it can be maintained only from one side. Make sure that the floor can bear the unit's weight, and always install the unit horizontally. Use leveling mounts to stabilize the unit. Never install the unit without leveling mounts. When installing a TX or an SX unit, remove the drip pan plugs. Connect the condensing water tube to the openings and install optional siphons. Make sure that the unused condensing water drain holes have been plugged. The larger unit models are delivered in modules. Before assembling the unit, place the modules close to each other and tighten with screws. This allows you to connect the tubes and electric wires easily and ensures clean assembly. Before starting electrical installation, always make sure that the unit is not connected to the mains. Check the electric connections and make sure the pressure tubing has been connected correctly according to the markings. Tighten the radiator tube couplings. The door handles are individually wrapped to avoid damage during transport. Screw the handles onto the doors. Vallox Pureo units have a wide range of optional accessories. Install any necessary accessories before setting up the unit. You can find the installation instructions in the unit manual. The installation of the air handling unit is now complete.